Hi, I would like to show you how to work with record minimum block from signal sublibrary from CAS Standard library. It's this block, record minimum, and it has two inputs, analog input signal and CL key input for triggering of pulses. And on the output we receive the value, or we get the value, which is the minimum in time of analog input signal between two CLK pulses. The best way how to see it is on my special test bed. I took a sinusoid function, this one from signal sublibrary, then I took pulse generator, this one from timer sublibrary, and then our record minimum block. With sinusoid function we generate a sinusoid with amplitude 100, let's say, then with period time, for example 20 seconds, and in case that we would like to see the minimum for the whole time of period, so we would like to generate two pulses between 0 and 20 seconds by this block and send it to CLK trigger. And then on the output we will see the average between two pulses, and on this output we will see the sinusoid function. And because I would like to synchronize that in some points, so I put there also force mark from CAS Standard in extended IEC 61131, and there is this force mark function, and by OLT field we can force the value. So right now I zero it, and it generates, and let's start, and now every 20 seconds it generates, it's collecting the analog input signals, and between 0 and 20 seconds it takes the minimum signal. So let's wait for it. Actually I can check it here on ET output. So we can see that minimal analog output between 0 and 20 seconds of sinusoid function, which has period 20 seconds, is minus 100, let's say. Let's round it, the output value. In case that I would zero it for a moment to synchronize it, and we will generate a pulse every 10 seconds in the same sinusoid function, like that. So let's wait next 10 seconds for the result on the output here. So approximately we got 0 because in the first part of period it was the lowest number, it was 0, and in the second part of the period is minus 100. So let's wait again. It's 0 dot something. There is small difference in accuracy because of different PLC time, and it takes some time to process this synchronization. But approximately there is minus 100 and 0, which is for sinusoid function correct. And we can use this block for some regular measuring of minimum between some PLC or bit times or pulses. It's really useful, especially in application programming, isn't it?